New construction, 1.5 story. There's the upstairs. Man, this is a beautiful home from Greybrook Homes that I've come to love so much. They're in Shepherd's Trace, which is Clover, South Carolina. And by the way, Clover, South Carolina is one of those great small towns. So you come in the front door, got your stairway there. This is actually 3 bedrooms on the main level. So you got to love that. And 2 full baths and then this powder room on the main level. So guys, I'm playing off of a Matterport tour here. There are ways to play around with this where you can walk through the rooms. But again, look at the shiplap and that diagonal pattern there at the fireplace. And look at the extra cabinetry. That's almost like a little baker's station or a bar, but very sleek and modern. The upper cabinets, just a lot of reasons to love this. It's already got blinds in it. Now, if you don't know about the Clover schools, just do your screen porch. By the way, 1 acre lot. Yeah, love that. Primary suite on the main level. They've already got these built-ins ready for your custom cushion to match your drapes there. This is just lovely, guys. Now, we've had a good experience with Greybrook Homes in this Shepherd's Trace development, large lots. But I started to suggest that you go to greatschools.org. Already got cabinets in the laundry room, sweet. Drop zone, beautiful trim. Look up Clover High School, look up Clover Middle School, and look up Bethany Elementary. Now, as always, guys, if you'd like me to go shoot a full motion video tour of this home, then just call me at 704-345-3400. As I said here, I'm just kind of playing off of a Matterport tour, but I'd love to go shoot this for you, get you in touch with one of my team members. So while they're working on the deal, I could go out and shoot a video, maybe even show you this exact lot, which is lot number 2 in Shepherd's Trace, and put it in perspective for you. So call me. This one's priced at $845K, ready to go. Wouldn't you like to be ready for the next school year? So this 4th bedroom, by the way, has got a full bath attached. So give me a call, 704-345-3400. Ask me about Lot 2 in Shepherd's Trace, Clover, South Carolina. 704-345-3400, and I'll see you in the next video.